Hi everyone, this is a really weird angle and my microphone is pointing down, so I apologise if there is any sound problems. I've been asked for some videos on my silversmithing work and I need to finish this. And it's a fold formed seed pod type pendant. And what I need to do, it's going to have a stone that goes here, but I need to solder on up here a leaf, you know, like the sprout that comes out of the top of a leaf, and fold it over and turn it into the bail for the pendant. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've had this in pickle all night because I forgot to take it out, which is fine, and I'm just gonna give it a little clean with a brush. And you can see there, look how shiny it is there compared to there. It's got to be clean. The cleaner the better. So giving that a good clean, and I'm taking some 1mm wire. I get my supplies from Cookson's Gold in the UK. Well, Cookson's Precious Metal. I need to work out roughly how much I need, and that looks pretty good. And cut that off about there. So I need that to sit nicely in there, and it'll get work hardened, so I'm not worried about it. So I've got some flux here, which is drying out really quick because it's so blooming hot with this heat wave. I use borax flux, which is a borax cone, and I want to put some flux here and here. Now I need to put something under it to hold this up because the metal has to be touching. Let me see if I can zoom in. You can see that if I try to show you, if I press it, this bit is in the air, so it needs to be touching, otherwise it won't solder. So I need to just lift this up at this side. So the best way to do that is going to be looking at it. Pretty perfect. But this has got tilt it up and as you can see, it is a lot of faff. There we go, perfect. So I'm going to use easy solder. Knocked it. I'm going to go use easy solder. A little bit about solder. Easy means that it melts quicker. The harder it is, the more it takes to melt. It's got nothing to do with how well of a solder joint you get. You could have extra easy, and you could have a better solder joint with extra easy than you could with hard, because you've not soldered it correctly, or you've not put enough solder on. So that is all it is. It's quite a long piece that I'm soldering, so I've put 3 pieces of solder at each side. And I can't lift it up to show you. What I can do is try and show you like this. Okay. Now I'm taking my soldering torch and here we go, hopefully without melting my camera cable, because it's right here. So here's my torch, and this bit of flame right on the tip there is where the hottest point is, so that's where I need it to be. So I'm just going to touch it, and you can see the flux reacting right there. And now I'm going to heat up all around. And that's about to go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what I need to do is quench it with water, which I forgot a water pot. Let me just grab one. And then check it, see if you're if you're happy with it, which I need to add a little bit more solder down at this bottom edge. So what I'm going to do, I don't need the stand anymore. is take my brush, clean that off. You have to clean every time and watch the block because that's actually quite hot. I'm going to add some more flux. Add some more solder. And repeat. Always turn your torch off when you are not using it. Actually, I'm going to use a stand. So I can get the heat underneath it a bit better. There we go. Much happier with that. My torch has got a little lock on it, so I always make sure I lock it. And again, quench. Ouch. Quench that as well. A quick clean, have a look. I'm happy with that.